We had a viewer recently ask or tell us that he met a woman who wants to leave him everything she owns at her passing. But she does have a child and some grandkids who she unfortunately hasn't spoken to in years. So, what does he do? Surprisingly, this situation does happen, and it can get very complicated very quickly. So you need to be certain to cross the T's, dot the I's, and know of sort of the pitfalls that can happen. I am 𝙤𝗵𝗵𝗵𝙗𝗍𝑒𝑚𝑒𝑑𝑖 Zammitti Law. We're an estate planning practice in New York and New Jersey. We provide peace of mind to families through our high client value services. If you are seeking assistance with preparing your estate plan or administering an estate following the loss of a loved one, we can help. You can reach out to us for free consultation at yourplanningattorney.com. And as we educate everyone on a very frequent basis, we just ask that you ask your questions and don't forget to share. So together we can help some folks along the way. Now, first of all, without an estate plan, right, your estate will go to family, closest living relatives, based on the intestacy laws of where you live. So that's not an option in this circumstance. Establishing a will still introduce involvement of the family through the probate process. Not a great option because there will be an uphill battle or could be an uphill battle when the family gets introduced. So, what's left? A trust truly is the best option as it remains private typically and does not involve the court, right? However, when family members are being disinherited, those that would normally receive based on the laws of the state, it is always wise to have clarity behind those decisions reflected in writing so that later on, certain claims can't be made or are harder to make. When someone unexpectedly leaves everything to a new person, especially somebody who maybe is a non-relative, it does raise questions naturally. It asks, was that person coerced, isolated? Were they manipulated? Did they have the capacity and understand what they were doing? Were they under emotional, financial, or other pressure? So if it's someone really wants to leave you an inheritance, right? And there are family members out there, encourage them to speak to an independent estate planning attorney. You can maybe give them a list and just let them call, right? Don't get involved, don't have that conversation. Make sure they have their wishes known through the attorney they choose. And of course, no pressure, right? No secrecy and very clear documentation. Transparency really truly is the thing that's going to protect everyone. But you do need an attorney involved. You don't want to be at the core of like helping them do a DIY plan or something like that because that's just messy. Certainly, claims will come your way if it goes in that route. And for anyone who's thinking about talking someone into leaving them assets by hearing this, that's just not unethical, right? You could have, different claims brought against you for doing so. So please let's not do anything crazy out there. Estate plans really are powerful, but they need to be from a place of free will and clear intent. So, if you're unsure how to handle a situation like this, whether you're the person who's naming someone else or you're the named beneficiary, just get in front of a reputable estate planning attorney who can give proper guidance and preferably not together. You want to have separation between the two parties so that the advice and the discussion between the creator of the plan and the attorney are individual. They're alone. Okay, I think I beat that one up enough. Again, I'm Valerie Zammitti Law of New York and New Jersey. We do provide peace of mind to families through our high client value services. If you want to check us out and you need some of those services, you can reach us at yourplanningattorney.com. We'd be happy to help. And we hope today you learned something new. Don't forget to share And as always, take care.